Both models are equipped with innovative features to enhance your food preservation and meal prepping. Since they share most of these capabilities, we will use V553 to demonstrate all operations. First, unbox your sealer. Place the machine on a sturdy level surface. Your machine comes with 2 seal bars. One is pre-installed and the other is wrapped separately in the foam panel covering the machine. Please save the box and packaging for future transport or storage. Here is what is included in the box: a quick start guide, a space filler, a spare seal bar, vacuum bags in 3 sizes, the vacuum hose, 2 mason jar adapters. Next, let's power on. Simply plug the cord into the side of the machine and into a wall outlet. You'll hear a beep and the control panel will light up, ready for action. We recommend running a test cycle first. The machine defaults to Smart Vac mode. Just close the lid and press the Start-Stop button. It's that easy. Now, let's seal your first pouch. If you need to vacuum seal a small pouch or a small amount of food, placing the space filler in the chamber will shorten the vacuum cycle. Take one of the included bags, add a handful of nuts, and lay it across the seal bar. Tuck the bottom side of the bag's open end into the bag clip at the front. Close the lid and press the Start-Stop button. In a moment, you'll hear 3 beeps signaling a perfect, airtight seal.